Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see what is a circuit that is used in order to generate a carrier frequency signal in the radio transmitter. As we know that the transmitter is nothing but it is used in order to transmit the modulated signal which is of high frequency signal. So in order to transmit the modulated signal we need a modulation process. So here the modulation process occurs between the two signals. One is a high frequency signal and the other one is a low frequency signal. Whereas a low frequency signal is used in order to carry the message signal information. So in the transmitter circuit already the message signal information will be present, but a high frequency signal has to be generated. So for this purpose we are using an oscillation circuit in order to generate a high frequency signal, that we are calling it the high frequency signal as a carrier frequency signal. As we know that in the radio transmitter circuits we can pass two transmitters. One is an AM transmitter circuit and another one is an FM transmitter circuit. So in AM transmitter circuit we are using an oscillation circuit, but as we know that the oscillators will provide a carrier frequency signal but with low stability. So in order to maintain the stable oscillator circuit we have to use a crystal oscillator in order to obtain a desired carrier frequency with the good stability. Whereas in FM transmitters, as we know that the frequency of a carrier is always high, but it is very difficult to generate such high frequencies with good frequency stability. So for this purpose what we will do is we will use a crystal oscillator circuit which provides a stable subharmonic carrier frequency. For example, if you consider that the crystal oscillator circuit is used in order to generate a 250 kHz frequency. So this 250 kHz frequency we can call it as a subharmonic frequency. Furthermore, this subharmonic frequency is get multiplied by the frequency multiplier circuit in order to get the desired carrier frequency. For example, I want to get the carrier frequency of 1 MHz. For the purpose, what I will use? I will use a crystal oscillator frequency which generates a subharmonic frequency of value 250 kHz, and the generated 250 kHz value is passed through the frequency multiplier circuit. Now the frequency multiplier I will use the frequency 4 times, which indicates that at the output of frequency multiplier circuit I will get the value of final desired frequency is 250 kHz into 4, which is equal to 1 MHz. In this way, I will use a low frequency crystal oscillator circuit in order to get a better desired carrier frequency in the FM transmitters. So finally, we can say that in order to obtain a good frequency stability in the transmitter circuits, we have to use the crystal oscillator circuits depending on the frequency range we are using. Thank you.